What's going on, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all been well. We got another install going on today, and this is going to be from Auxito. These are the 7-inch off-road LED lights. So originally I was going to put them on my truck to try them out, but when I got them I didn't realize how big they were. So I was trying to find a spot to put them on, but there's pretty much no place on my truck right now other than the rack that I could put it on, but it would look kind of weird, like some Mickey Mouse ears or something. So I have my friend Darren that has a Tundra. We're gonna be installing it on his truck because I think these would look a lot better on a full-size truck, especially with how big they are. You guys will see it. They're 7 inches. Doesn't seem big online, but they're pretty massive. So they do have like a white LED, and then they have like an amber backlight. So we're gonna try and get that wired up, and then we'll give you guys a demo of how everything looks. Stay tuned. All right, so here's another close-up with the lights. They come with the mounting brackets, and the way we're gonna mount them is that we actually have ditch light brackets that we're gonna use. These come with the lights. So for the Cali raised ditch brackets, we did have to bore out the hole on the top just to fit this, and then these are gonna bolt on top of those ditch light brackets, and then we're gonna run the wiring down, and then he has an aux beam. It's over there, so that'll be powered through his switch panel on the inside, and then yeah, we get these installed on there. So we got the lights mounted on the ditch light brackets, so you can kind of see, got a plug right here. The plug is, from what it seems like, it looks pretty high quality. Everything's sealed, it's not cheaply made or anything. And then because we're not using the provided harness, because we're not going to use a switch, we're going to be using an aux beam. So we just need the ends that has the loose plugs or the loose wires, and then we're going to bridge these together, put those on the aux beam, and then we'll have one for the white light, and then one is going to be for the backlight. So we have two separate switches inside that can power both parts of the light. So we got the lights mounted up. So these are the DRL or the backlights that we got running right now. Even these are pretty bright. Like, I don't know, it's hard to tell on the camera, but like looking at it, it's pretty bright. And then you can see how we got it mounted with the ditch light brackets. It's all wired to his aux beam. So the aux beam is right there. So this is his backlight. And if we turn on this regular white light, you gotta see, whoo! These things are super bright. And this is like daytime, so it's not even dark yet, but yeah, these things are crazy. So it's still daylight, but once the sun goes down, we'll try and give you like an update of what it looks like at night. So it gives you an idea how bright they are. I mean, just during the daytime, you can already tell that they're super bright, and you know, it's gonna be bright at night. So we'll be blinding some people, hopefully not. For the install, it's super easy. Comes with everything you pretty much need. It comes with the pigtails if you're not going to use the switch that's provided, or if you are going to use the factory switch that comes with it, then it has a different set of plugs that you can use and run an actual wiring harness. But super easy to install, and from what it looks like, it's super bright. So this might be an option for you, but just for me, it was a little bit too big for my truck, so I just didn't have anywhere to put it. But these are super sick lights. You know, I wanted to say thank you to Auxito again, because yeah, this is super sick. I mean, I think it definitely looks better on a full-size truck. Because you can see how big they are. But yeah, it might have been a little overkill for my truck. But yeah, stay tuned. We'll do another light test at night, and you'll be able to see kind of how bright they are in the dark. And I promise you, they're going to be bright. Okay, so we're going to do a light test for you guys to kind of show you how bright these things are. They're pretty bright. So I'm gonna show you guys without the headlights, and then I'll do one with the headlights and then the off-road lights on top of that. So watch this. So this is just gonna be the lights. You can see they're super bright, and then that's without the headlights too. So, and then we'll do with the headlights. Oh. So this is the factory headlights, and then we'll do the off-road lights too. So I mean, if you're looking to blind somebody or you really need to see something, then you're probably gonna be able to see it with these lights. So super bright. I'll show you guys what the DRLs look like at night. They're like a nice bright orange color. All right, so these are like the DRL modes, or like the backlight. It's kind of hard to see, but it's pretty much like a triangle shape, and they're still pretty bright. So you can see they look pretty cool. So that's the ambers, pretty clean. All right, so that's what it looks like if you're standing in front. So wouldn't recommend this, but they're super bright.